Hey there, welcome to Mr. Magic. So in this video you'll learn how to add your face or your friend's face or anybody's face in the Pubg poster. At first, download the Pubg poster from Google in which you want to add your face. I'm gonna add this face of SRK in this poster because the expression suits the Pubg background. Now open Picsart and select the Pubg poster and then click on the add photos option and select the face you want to put on it and then click on cutout and then cut out the face properly and then add it on the proper place. So now we have to remove the level 3 helmet from the background. For that, follow my steps properly. So the face has been added successfully. Now you can add some more PNG files like PUBG Mobile or PlayerUnknown Battleground in the side of the photo. So thanks for watching. See you again in my next video tomorrow. And one more thing, this video was not for trolling anyone. This was only for a tutorial.